You do not need to own the walls to have a smart home. These 5 upgrades add automation without drilling a single hole, and they move with you when you leave. Number 1. Smart bulbs. Screw in when you arrive, screw out when you leave. Every light fitting becomes smart without touching a wire. Smart bulbs work with the existing wall switches. Leave the switch on and control everything from the app, a voice assistant, or automations. The fixture stays as you found it. Number 2. Smart plugs. A smart plug between the wall socket and any appliance adds full smart control with 0 modification to the property. Schedule appliances, monitor energy, trigger automations, all removable and portable. When you move, pack the plugs and you have a smart home set up in hours. Number 3. Wireless smart switches. Akara, IKEA, and others make battery-powered buttons that stick to any surface with double-sided tape. They look like light switches and feel like light switches, but they are wireless and removable. Use them to control smart bulbs without a voice assistant. Number 4. Battery door and window sensors. Zigbee and Bluetooth door sensors attach with double-sided tape and peel off cleanly when you move. They trigger automations when doors open or close, security alerts, lights on arrival, notifications when the front door opens, no drilling, no landlord permission. Number 5. Portable smart speaker. The Echo Dot or Nest Mini is the hub of your smart home that moves with you. It connects to Wi-Fi, pairs with your smart bulbs and plugs in minutes, and gives you full voice control. Moving house takes 2 minutes of repairing. Smart bulbs are the first upgrade. They work everywhere. Leave no trace and move with you. Add plugs next, then a speaker. You can have a working smart home in any rental for under €100. Follow for more renter-friendly tips every day.